everyone. As you guys see behind me, and as the title and thumbnail of this video shows, this red Jeep Roy Piet of Royal? Huh? Roy Red Cappuccino is up for sale. I just thought I'd make a video of it just to give you guys a bit of in-depth can I say insight into what is done to this Jeep. Obviously you can see the Facebook listing on Lone Alta's Facebook, where he listed the car with all of the parts, but I'll be going through that anyway. So starting off, if we look at the aesthetics of the car, it has the, where's my hand? It has the snorkel on there, and then also it has 35-inch Dick Sapek mud country tires with Nicky Thompson rims. And I'm gonna go into the mods list now of everything that is done to this car, because this, although it looks like a lifted Jeep, there's a lot of money and parts, very good parts that have gone into this. This is a 1997 Jeep Cherokee. I'm not sure what chassis number this is. I know this is a very popular chassis for these Jeeps, as you'll see the blue one is more or less the same, but by the idle and by the start of this video you will know that that is not a 6-cylinder engine. This is actually a 5.3 liter V8 LS engine, original motor with ECU and gearbox that has been fitted into this Jeep. It has a fully custom dashboard, which I'll show you guys now, and very OEM and very nice stock interior. No adapters or transfer plates were used during this conversion. It is the automatic gearbox that came with the LS motor that is bolted straight to it. I think it just has a aftermarket drive shaft, maybe because of the diffs that are inside. As I said, these are 35-inch Dick Sapek mud terrain tires. It has 5 of them. It has the spare wheel on at the back, so you will never be stranded. Not that you would need the spare wheel, because you'll always be able to drive with the height of this car. This Jeep also has front and rear locker diffs. It actually has Dana 44. It has a Dana 44 rear diff, as well as a Dana 35 front diff, and it is fitted with new rough country shocks. As I mentioned earlier, it has the snorkel which is added. It has a 5.5-inch suspension lift, which allows you to pretty much travel over any obstacle you want to. This thing also has a 76mm free flow exhaust. As you guys heard, it is rather quiet. It's not overly loud. Sounds very nice, just getting that rumble of the LS engine. And then the last, I would say, expensive or high ticket item on this car is that it has chromoly side shafts fitted to all of its diffs, so you will not, unless you're really reckless, but you won't be breaking these things anytime soon. So that is pretty much the overview of this Jeep Grand Cherokee. One thing I did forget to mention is that it has, for those guys that know 1400s, these are pretty much 1400 Nissan Champ updated LED headlights. They are all working and in working condition. There was something else. Oh, there's a Tuffy like safe thing underneath the glove box, which is pretty cool. So if you physically have to lock it if you have stuff that you want to keep in the car. And then one other bonus feature of this, it has central locking, so if you want to use this as a daily, if your pockets are deep enough to afford the fuel for it, you're able to use this as a daily. The central locking makes it very easy. If you guys are interested in purchasing this, I will link or put it in the description down below. Also, again, the list of the mods, as well as who you can contact to find out the price of this, and if you want to come and view it, where you're able to view it. So yeah, everything will be linked down below in the description. Thank you for joining for this little short video of the special Jeeps. I know you guys have seen this in the background when we have gone 4x4ing and have asked about it, so it is up for sale now. If you're interested, contact down below.
Memphis, man.